factory worker. So, we have five girls po kami. Gusto niyo yun? Hindi mo magaganda. So, kami po ay simpleng tao lang. And then, the saddest part and the lowest part of my life was during high school. Kasi po, nagsara ang company ng pamilya ko, ng parents ko. So, nawalan po sila ng trabaho. And dahil high school kami, naaalala ko tatlo kami sabay. High school, college, elementary. Sabay-sabay ko tatlo. Thank you so much. Ayan. Sabay-sabay po kami nag-aaral. So, it was really hard. Nawalan ng trabaho yung parents ko. So, I need to step up. So, I become the breadwinner of the family. Sabi ko, kailangan ko patapusin yung dalawa ko pang kapatid. So, ginawa po namin lahat, nirakit namin lahat. Scratch tape, mabango. Hindi po ito kasama sa presentation. So, pinasok ko lahat, flyering, extra, lahat ng pwede kong racket, pinasukan. Just para lang po napag-aral yung dalawang kapatid. And then, what happened next is, ang naging pupunan ko po dito ay ang lakas ng loob. Alright? And ako po kasi yung tao na naniniwala ako na pag may dumating na opportunity sa akin, igagrab ko yan. Tsaka lagi ko na lang sinasabi, Lord, bahala ka. Kasi po, wala po siyang ibinigay na hindi siya para sa iyo. Tama?
Tama!
I love it. I love Jason. Okay. So, ayan. So, and then yung second wave ng kahirapan came, pandemic. Sino pong mga medyo nagutom ng pandemic? Diba? Ang hirap. Walang income, walang trabaho. Ang hirap magnegosyo, ang hirap lahat. Diba? So, it was really hard. One of the lowest part of my life. So, anyway, siguro po napakabait ko sa buhay. Kaya I was blessed with a lot of good friends like Marilena, Iron, Kate, Joanna po, and Coach Rana. So, binigyan po nila, inintroduce sa akin at matalik na kaibigan itong business na to during pandemic po. So, ayun. So, grateful and beyond blessed po ako sa aking mga friends, lalo na kay Jen Joanna na mentor ko po ito sa business na to. Kasi because of this business, natupad po yung marami kong pangarap. Hindi lang po yun. Nagkaroon ako ng time freedom. Pinaka-importante sa lahat yung magkaroon ka ng time sa family mo. And, nagkaroon po ako ng comfortable life. So, alam ko, excited na kayo malaman kung ano ba itong dropshipping business, so hindi ko na po papatagalin. Next slide tayo. Alright, please watch this. This is a virtual tour po sa aming office. Walang sounds. Okay. So from the makers of the franchising giant in the Philippines, let me introduce to you my company, House of Franchise. This is a one-stop franchise business. So I'm an international dropshipper and a franchise consultant here at House of Franchise. So this is our office sa 35 Shaw, Pasig po. At ito pong office namin ay pre-owned company, so hindi po kami nag-rent. So House of Franchise is founded in 2006. We have food franchise, digital franchise, and health and beauty wellness franchise. So this is our founders. On the left, our Vice President, Carlito Makatagda, and on the right, our President, Boss Jonathan Song. Isa pa lang po ang imagine.
Ano naman ito sila?
So, our founders is multi-awarded businessman here in the Philippines. So, sila rin po ay kilalang multi-young billionaire. In fact, nakakasama po nila ang mga international businessman na may mga international businesses around the world. So, you can search them po sa internet kasi very visible and credible businessman. So nakikita niyo naman po, they are awarded as People of the Year in 2023, At ito po yung mga social media outlets kung saan sila na-feature. In fact, na-feature po sila sa CNN, Rated Marina, at marami pa po. So, Showmaking and House of Franchise is awarded as the Franchising Hall of Famer for 5 consecutive years now. Hindi! Alright. So, kung makikita niyo po, ayan, nakakasama po natin ang ating founders. Kasi very visible and credible po sila. In fact, isa po sila sa naging mentor ko dito sa business na ito. So, ang marketing support po natin ay pakalat-kalat sa sulok ng bansa. So, ito po ay pinagastusan ng ating company dahil ang isang kumpanya po na nakikita at visible ay maraming nakakakilala. Ang company na hindi nakikita or hindi visible, wala pong bibili. So, ang maganda dito sa company natin, sa business natin, makakapital ka na lang. So, in fact, nakuha po natin ang ating mga kilalang celebrity endorsers. Kado Ning, ay Idris Alas, Erwin Tulfo, Ivana Alawi. We have Alda, Katiel, Vice Ganda, Yolo Pascual, Maria Rivera, Bianca, Kylie, at Yasi. So, why franchising business? Sa isang mall po, pag pumasok kayo, 80% na nakikita nyo ay franchising business. Kilala po ba ang McDo? Yes. Kilala ba ang Jollibee? So, Jollibee and McDo ay isa po sa mga kilalang franchising business, which is, grabe, alam niyo po ba, kapag kayo ay nag-franchise ng Jollibee, kailangan niyo ng 60 million para makapag-franchise. Diba? So, wala ba tayong tama? Wala rin po ako. 60 million. Okay. So, kung wala pa tayong extra 60 million, ang maganda dito sa franchising business natin, low capital lang po siya, low risk, high success rate, proven system, and fast payback period. We have over 1,000 outlets nationwide na po. At ang trivia ko lang po, meron tayong sariling commissary, which is nasa Dasmariñas, Cavite. Tayo po gumagawa ng sarili natin, siomai at siomai. So ito po ay, we are using heavy-duty automated machine. Ibig sabihin po, hindi na po ito hinahawakan na sa bare hands, puro machine lang po. Trivia lang po, we produce more than 30 million pieces of siomai, and we produce more than 2.5 pieces of siomai. So these are other franchise concepts that we have. We have Noodle House, Siopao the King, Potato King. In fact, we have milk tea, which is Ocha, and coffee banana. So our flagship franchise is Siomai. Sino mo nakakakilala sa Siomai? Sino nakatikim na? Masarap. Siyempre, favorite natin yan. We are the only company na nagpuproduce po ng 5 pieces of siomai. At ito naman ang pinaka-proud ako. Masarap to kasi no extenders. Nagha? Ay. Ayan po. Okay pa ba kayo? Gutom na ba kayo? Sinong gutom na? Hayaan niyo na po, lilipas din yan. Okay, dahil dyan, magpaparaffle tayo ng ating best-selling product, ang Barley Juice. Congratulations, Charlene May Haboneta. Buenaventura. Ang swerte. Register pa lang, ano na? Winner na? Congratulations!